Two infiltration attempts were thwarted by the security forces in the Kupwara district last night in the Tangdhar and Machal areas. Operations are ongoing at both the locations. More details are awaited meanwhile, but 3 terrorists have been neutralized in 2 separate anti-terror operations on the line of control at the Tangdhar and Machal in Kupwara district. The meanwhile, BJP candidate from Kalakot, Sundarbani Assembly constituency, Thakur Randir Singh has slammed Pakistan on the recent terror activities in Jammu and Kashmir. Remember, the terror forces in Jammu and Kashmir and attacks in fact have been on a rise, especially keeping the view of the assembly elections, while the anti-terror operations from the Indian Army and the security forces continue in various sensitive districts including Kupwara as well. Now 3 terrorists, very importantly, have been neutralized and the security operations are underway. Let's listen in to what the BJP leader had to say.
की जो कायराना हरकत है वो हमें डिस्टर्ब करने की हमेशा रही है। हमारे जम्मू कश्मीर में परेशानी डाली, हमारे युवा लोगों को मार दिया गया, हमारे लोगों को डिस्टर्ब पढ़ाई से महरूम रखा गया, क्योंकि जो मिलिटेंसी के दौर में हमेशा कालें आती रही, बंद की कालें रहती रही, इस कश्मीर में स्टोन पेल्टिंग होती रही। तो देखिए आज कश्मीर बिल्कुल शांत है और सभी लोग अपना अपना काम कारोबार कर रहे हैं और डेवलपमेंट की साइड लोग आज डेवलपमेंट की बात करते हैं, हम आज मिलिटेंसी की बात नहीं करते, लेकिन पाकिस्तान ने अपना काम लगातार जारी किया और रखा हुआ। मैं आपको बताऊं, राज्य के जो इलेक्शन है, इलेक्शन को डिस्टर्ब करने की कोशिश की जा रही है। जो जिन पार्टियों का उनसे लेना देना है वो शायद वो इन्वॉल्वमेंट करके तो वो चाहते हैं कि लोगों को डरा धमका के वोट कम से कम वोट हो, ताकि वो पहले की तरह 4,000, 10,000, 15,000 वोट लेके तो अपनी कामयाबी लें। पर मुझे लगता है कि लोगों ने माइंड बनाया हुआ है। आपने देखा होगा कश्मीर में कितने % वोटिंग हुई है पार्लियामेंट इलेक्शन में, तो लोग बढ़ चढ़ के हिस्सा लेंगे, अपनी मर्जी का कैंडिडेट बनाएंगे। मुझे लगता है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी को लोग भारी मतों से जिताने वाले हैं इस जिला रजौरी और पुंछ में, इसके लिए है। लेकिन हमारी सरकार ने बहुत अच्छा एक फैसला लिया, जो वीडीजी के जो गन्ने हैं लोगों को दे रहे हैं और जो गांव में लोगों को गन्ने दे रहे हैं वो आप मिलिटेंट हमारे इस एरिया में कामयाब नहीं होंगे। जब हमारे लोकल लोग जो हैं, वहां के रहने वाले बाशिंदे जो हैं वो सक्रिय हो जाएंगे, तो मुझे पक्का यकीन है कि वहां पे मिलिटेंट कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकते।
जितने भी कैंडिडेट हैं उनके हौसले कितने आप हैं सर?
देखिए हम लोग तो लगातार फील्ड में, और लगातार फील्ड में रहने का मतलब यह है कि हम 24/7 काम कर रहे हैं और मुझे लगता है कि हम लोगों के बीच में हमारे जो कैंडिडेट हैं उन सभी के हौसले बुलंद हैं और रिजल्ट जब आएगा तो आपको सब देखने को मिलेगा। हमारा बहुत अच्छे रिजल्ट आने वाले हैं।
मोर सिक्योरिटी की आपको जरूरत तो नहीं सर, ये में जिस तरह से कैंपेन कर
सर मेरे पास तो एक ही पीएसओ है, लेकिन देखते हैं जैसे सरकार का हुक्म है, कोई बात नहीं। अगर ये पीएसओ भी नहीं रहेगा तब भी मैं लोगों के पास जाऊंगा और अपनी कैंपेन करूंगा।
All right, Ajay Chandial, my colleague, joins me on the broadcast to share more details on what's unfolding on the ground in the valley as far as more terror forces are being neutralized in the valley, given in view the situation that needs to be put in control and security measures needs to be enforced ahead of the assembly elections. And as far now, we are also looking at the election manifesto being declared and the candidates from all the parties taking up the issue of how terror forces need to be thwarted from Jammu and Kashmir. Ajay, over to you.
Yes, Jammu and Kashmir has to go for the assembly election in next few days, and that's why Pakistan is frustrated, and that's why Pakistan is continuously trying to push in terrorists over there in Jammu and Kashmir. You see that in last 12 hours, only 12 hours, 3 back-to-back terror incidents have taken place. One incident, 2 infiltration attempts have taken place in the Tangdhar and the Machal sector area, which was foiled by the alert Indian Army troops. According to information, last late night, some suspicious movement was spotted in the Machal sector forward area, and the forces, those were already on the alert. Indian Army troops, they were deployed in the forward area. They were on the alert position. When they have spotted this, moment, they immediately took position. And when these terrorists, they reached near to the forces and in the Indian Army area, they immediately retaliated and neutralized 2 terrorists. One terrorist, is gunned down by the Indian Army troops over there in the Tangdhar sector as well. And sources are saying that operation still continuing on both the locations. Another operation is going on over there in the Rajouri as a vast area. This is the place where last night some movement of terrorists was spotted, and immediately additional troops were, sent over there. Jammu Kashmir police were already on the ambush position for these terrorists because for last few days there was input that some terrorists are moving in this area. So that's why they were already taking position over there. And when these two terrorists were spotted, there the firing gun battle broke out between terrorists and the security forces, and the operation still continues. So back-to-back 3 operations indicates that how pressured Pakistan is, and forces those who are guarding the line of control, and those who are looking after the security in the hinterland, they are on the alert position, and that's why terror hunting is continuing. 3 terrorists have been utilized by the security forces in twin encounters in Kupwara, Machel, and Tangdar, whereas 3rd operation is going on over there in the Rajouri Spas area to ensure that all the terrorists hiding in the forest area will be neutralized.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.